Most of y'all probably recall we have the hammer built tailgate reinforcement. Today, I bought this off of Amazon, and some fellow Chicagoland Broncos makers bought these. We'll try to mount this on here using these more inside bolts. It's a pretty laid out process in the instructions. So they give you a little pack here with instructions that shows you basically, instead of having that hinge, you will have this bolt. Now, depending on where this bolt or the bolts that come with it's longer, depends on which one we use. But I just looked at this, it should fit in here just fine. So anyway, we'll show it to you. Sorry for the background noise if you hear it, but yeah, we got these two Boss back pieces in. So we'll come up part of the hammer built logo. Sorry, hammer guys. But now we just got to put these other clips on, put the pole in, we should be done. So here it is installed. We just used a 5mm. It's a lot easier to do this with a spare tire off, but I was just lazy. You could take this piece off. This is just if you want to do like a, I left it on for now, I may take it off later. Anyway, you have a couple bolts. One right there, I probably can't get this thing to focus good. And one right there, you clamp those on real tight. You have to hold this bracket up. Then you have the lower bracket down here, same thing. Two 5mm bolts there. Get this lower bolt, keeps the pole from going down out of the bottom of this thing. As you can see, hammer built, does work. If anybody asks, wouldn't be surprised if hammer built did one of these for themselves. But it's pretty cool. All right, let's get it. Unfortunately, we don't have any wind today, but at least not enough to make the thing flat. But it's good on here. As you can see, we got our Chicagoland Broncos flag mounted. So definitely think this is pretty cool. Please hit that like and subscribe button. We got a lot more to come, and look forward to bringing more stuff to you. Thank you so much.